Got a clogged toilet that just won't budge? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Clorox Toilet Plunger. The Clorox Toilet Plunger caught my attention right away with its sleek design and practical hideaway caddy. Priced at $13.97, it seems to balance affordability and functionality quite well. If you want a reliable tool for tackling those unexpected plumbing emergencies, this is worth a serious look. This plunger features a heavy-duty flange cup that creates a tight seal, allowing you to exert maximum pressure and clear even the toughest clogs in no time. It's designed with a comfortable, ergonomic grip, making it easier to use without straining your wrist. Plus, the hideaway caddy not only stores the plunger discreetly, but also keeps your bathroom looking neat, which is a huge win. At over 20,000 units sold just last month, it's clear that many people find value in this product. Now, some folks have mentioned that the caddy can sometimes be a bit flimsy, which I get. But here's the thing. If you're just using it for basic toilet clogs, it's more than capable, and the convenience of a tidy storage solution is a nice trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, functional plunger that keeps your bathroom organized. Skip this one if you need something super heavy-duty though. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the Clorox's caddy concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more integrated design. Product number 2, Set Sail Toilet Brush and Plunger Set. The Set Sail Toilet Brush and Plunger Set, which is priced at $12.99. What really stands out is that it comes as a combo, making it a great deal for anyone wanting a comprehensive cleaning solution. If you're seeking a deep cleaning set that tackles both clogs and grime, this is worth a serious look. This combo includes a strong suction plunger that grips tight and clears blockages effectively, whether you're dealing with toilets, sinks, or even RVs. The toilet brush features durable bristles that clean hard-to-reach spots and won't deform easily. The hidden storage design is also a clever touch, keeping everything tidy and preventing any mess on your bathroom floor. Given that over 10,000 have been purchased recently, people definitely appreciate this dual-purpose tool. However, some customers have noted that the brush bristles could be a bit stiffer for tougher stains. Now, I'll be real with you. If you're just looking for a basic plunger, this might be overkill. But if deep cleaning is what you need, this set delivers. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive cleaning solution all in one. Skip this one if you're just looking for a simple plunger without the extra brush. It's definitely a good value for the price. Alright, that combo was solid, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a heavy-duty solution. Product number 3, Mr. Sega Toilet Plunger and Bowl Brush Combo. Moving on to the MR Sega Toilet Plunger and Bowl Brush Combo, priced at $23.99. This set caught my eye because it combines a powerful plunger with a highly efficient toilet brush. If you're looking for a stylish yet functional solution for your bathroom cleaning needs, this one is definitely worth considering. The plunger is made with a commercial-grade rubber suction cup, providing serious power for tackling tough clogs in toilets, sinks, and even showers. The ergonomic handle offers a secure grip, making it easier to apply pressure without straining yourself. The toilet brush with its dense nylon bristles ensures you can clean thoroughly, even in those tricky under-rim areas. With more than 10,000 sold in the past month, it's clear that this combo resonates with many. However, one downside is that some users find the holder a bit bulky, which can take up extra space. But honestly, if you have a larger bathroom, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. The heavy-duty design and effective cleaning make it worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful and efficient cleaning duo. Skip this one if your bathroom space is really tight. It's a solid investment for the performance you get. Now, if the size of that last one was a concern, the next product is a more compact alternative. Product number 4, Corky Beehive Max Toilet Plunger. The Corky Beehive Max heavy-duty toilet plunger is next on my list, and it's priced at $15.98. The unique beehive shape really grabbed my attention. It's specifically designed to fit various toilet bowl models. If you want something that works effectively on both old and new toilets, this is worth a serious look. What makes this plunger stand out is its ability to create a powerful seal thanks to its design. It fits snugly into any bowl shape, ensuring maximum pressure for clearing clogs with minimal effort. The T-handle grip provides comfort and allows for easy storage under sinks or vanities. With over 9,000 units sold recently, it's clear that users appreciate its effectiveness. However, some reviewers mention that it doesn't have the best suction on particularly stubborn clogs. Here's the thing though, if you know how to position it correctly, it can work wonders. Plus, for the price, I think it's a great tool to have. This is perfect for you if you have a variety of toilet types in your home. Skip this one if you only deal with minor clogs, as it might be more than you need. For the price, it's a solid plunger choice. Alright, that was a unique option. Now let's look at one more that packs in some stylish design features. Product number 5, Mr. Sega Toilet Plunger with Holder, priced at $27.99. What caught my eye about this one is its elegant design and the upgraded ventilation system in the holder. If you want a stylish yet functional addition to your bathroom cleaning arsenal, this is definitely worth a serious look. This plunger boasts a heavy-duty construction that won't damage your toilet bowl while providing maximum plunging power for clearing tough clogs. The ergonomic handle fits comfortably in your hand, making it easier to apply force. Plus, the holder is designed to keep the plunger out of sight while allowing air circulation for quick drying. It's a great choice for anyone wanting both aesthetic appeal and functionality, and with 5,000 sold last month, it's clearly resonating with buyers. However, some users did mention that the plunger feels a bit lighter than expected, which might make it less effective for some stubborn clogs. But honestly, I think the design and ease of use make it worth considering, especially if you appreciate a more chic look. This is perfect for you if you value both design and function in your bathroom tools. Skip this one if you want something ultra heavy duty for extreme clogs. It's a good investment for its design and practicality. To wrap things up, we've gone through 5 solid options: the Clorox Toilet Plunger, Set Sail Toilet Brush and Plunger Set, MR Siga Toilet Plunger and Bowl Brush Combo, Corky Beehive Max, and the MR Siga Toilet Plunger with Holder. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the MR Siga Toilet Plunger and Bowl Brush Combo because it combines powerful plunging with a great brush for thorough cleaning.